Hello and welcome to the PassFab channel. Do you need to wipe your iPhone 17 clean? Maybe to sell it, give it away, or troubleshoot a major issue? But there's a big problem. You don't know the passcode to get into the settings to erase it. You can't get past the lock screen. Performing a factory reset without the passcode is a common challenge, but it's absolutely possible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to factory reset an iPhone 17 without the passcode. Method 1 is the classic way, using iTunes or Finder for Mac. Put your iPhone 17 into recovery mode. For most modern iPhones, this is done by pressing and quickly releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then pressing and holding the side power button. Keep holding it until you see the recovery mode screen. Now, open iTunes or Finder. It should detect a phone in recovery mode and pop up with an option to restore it. Clicking this will download the latest iOS and completely wipe the device, restoring it to factory settings. However, this method has a very important requirement. Find My iPhone must be turned off on the device. If it's on, iTunes will require the Apple ID password to proceed, leaving you stuck at another lock. That leads us to method 2, which is the use of PassFab iPhone Unlock. This software has a mode specifically for this issue. After installing the software, choose the Unlock iOS screen function. Connect your locked iPhone 17. The program will guide you on how to boot your iPhone into recovery mode if you aren't already there. As soon as the iPhone is detected, you will see a download button. Click on it, and the software will then download the necessary firmware package for your iPhone 17. When you click Start to Remove, the software performs a full factory reset directly, bypassing the need for the passcode. But there might be need for the next step, which is very important, but may be optional. It is the removal of iCloud activation lock. With the iPhone still connected to your computer, click on Remove iCloud activation lock. Immediately, the device is recognized. Click on Start. The software begins to put the iPhone into recovery mode, and after that, click on Start and follow the instructions displayed on screen to put the iPhone into DFU mode. DFU stands for Device Firmware Update, and if you correctly followed the steps, your iPhone screen should be completely blank without showing even the iPhone logo. The device will begin to go through the jailbreaking process until it's completed. Follow the instructions to put the iPhone into DFU mode again, and this time, the PassFab software would remove the iCloud activation lock. The iPhone will be restarted, and you can now go ahead and set up the iPhone as new. The device will be wiped completely and will restart without any trace of your previous data, screen lock, or iCloud lock, making it safe to sell or restart fresh. If this guide helped you successfully reset your iPhone, give this video a like and subscribe for more straightforward and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching.